Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how I pack for photo shoot bookings and for wedding bookings, because tomorrow I'm at the BBC doing a celebrity's makeup before she sings live on telly, which is super exciting. So I'm going to show you the process which I go through to pack for a booking like this. Now the reason why these bookings have to be so strategically planned is because on somebody's wedding day, or if you're at a hotel doing a photo shoot, you need to have everything there which you need. You just can't afford to forget something or not have it, because you're not going to have any backup. You've got no other hair and makeup artists, well, that you know of, that are going to be there. It's not like in a salon. So if I need something when I'm at work in the salon, it's fine because there's other people there and usually they'll have their kits. And you're probably thinking, like, why would you not just take your whole kit when you do a booking like this? Now honestly, if I had to carry my entire hair and makeup kit around with me, I would honestly have to do about 10 trips from my car to the venue, to the car to the venue. Honestly, I would be like a pack horse, and by the time I come to do the booking, I'd probably have broke my neck or something. So when I do get these bookings, I make sure I have everything that I need, but you need to make sure that you don't overpack or underpack. Because if you overpack, then you'll be like a pack horse, you'll be carrying all that stuff around, it'll waste time, and there's things that you won't even need. Whereas if you underpack, it's even more stressful if someone on the day changes their mind, they want something different, you've not got your kit, you've not got what you need. So it's just finding that happy medium and that balance between the two, where you've got everything that you need. If there's a change in mind about something that wasn't planned, you've got enough kit there to cover it. But it is all about being organised and being prepared for different outcomes. Example, someone changing their mind. So the first part of the process begins by you finding out who you're working on, so what they look like, and also what they want. And this is just as simple as them showing a picture of who they are, and, you know, like pictures of their bridesmaids, for example, if it's a wedding booking, and also get them to send you photos of what they want, like inspiration pictures. Having inspiration pictures before just makes everything so much easier, because when you're packing, you can be like, right, they want these kind of colours, so I'll pack this, this, and this. I'll have this as a backup. Then once I know who I'm working on and what kind of looks we're doing, what I do then is I have a list. So on my Mac, I've got 2 documents which I've done, and one is for hair. So on there I've got my hair kit and all the things which I pack for that. And then I've also got one for my makeup. So then I've got a document for my makeup list. So when I'm packing, the first thing which I do is print both of those documents. Well, say if I'm doing hair and makeup, I'd print both of them off, but because I'm just doing makeup tomorrow, I've got my makeup packing list here. And what I'll do for anyone who's interested in knowing what's on my packing lists, I'll do a link below to both of my packing lists, just in case it might help you guys when you come to do this. So what I usually do is work down my list, looking at my inspo pics, and I'll then pack everything which I need to recreate the looks on my inspo pics, going down everything which is on my packing list. And then I put it, before I put it in my bag, I put it on the floor first. Once I've got everything out on the floor, I then double check everything, and that's when I put it into the bag. And when I pack everything onto the floor, it tends to look something like this. To be honest with you, if you're looking at this and thinking, oh my god, she's got a lot of stuff there, this is me packing light. And this is only my makeup for one person who, I've worked on this girl before, so I know what she looks like, I know what like foundation colour she is, I know what colours she is for everything. So this is me literally packing light. This is for one person. So can you imagine how much I have to pack if it's for like a wedding booking where there's like 7 or 8 people being done? Yeah, so I have to pack a lot. But this is just to give you an idea of what I do. So I literally put everything in order, and just basically get it all out on the floor before I pack anything. So yeah, so I get this all out first, and then I go through my list again and just make sure that I've got everything which I'm gonna need, and it's all here laid out on the floor before I put it away. And the bag which I'm going to take all this in tomorrow is just this like River Island one here. But to be honest, if I'm taking more kit, I tend to take this one. I tend to take a case. So with my hair kit, I tend to just shove that all in like a massive case I can wheel along with me. And to be honest with you, if I need any more carry bags like this where I need to be able to hold them with my hand and just lug them in and out, I always find that shopping bags are good, just normal Asda, Aldi, Sainsbury's, whatever, you know, them big shopping bags, they tend to be really good, and especially to be easy to be able to shove everything in, shove everything out, because sometimes at the end of shoot bookings and wedding bookings, you might be in a rush to kind of like get packed up and get out. The second most important thing which I take with me when I'm doing bookings is if I'm doing makeup, I always take my makeup chair with me, because you will literally break your back if you're doing 8 makeups and someone is sitting on a little stool or something which is too low. You'll be in agony by the end of it. So I always take my own makeup chair if I'm doing makeup. And the most important thing to remember when you're working outside of the salon is to take a ring light. Whether I'm doing hair or makeup, I always take a ring light with me, because I've done it so many times when I've gone to hotels and I've just had the worst lighting, to the point where I literally haven't even been able to see what I'm doing or what my client's hair or makeup looks like. I've had to keep getting them to check it in the bathroom mirror. So this is so important. I always just get these by the door ready to go the night before I do any booking, like a photo shoot or a wedding. Then once I've got my chair, my ring light by the door ready to go, I would then, like I say, go through my list, everything's on the floor. I would then bag that up and get that ready by the door as well. So the morning I could just roll out of bed, everything's by the door, run it into my car, and then I go. I would never ever recommend leaving your kit in your car. A couple of years ago, my kit got stolen out of my car and it was devastating. I've had to replace a whole lot, very expensive. So for you, I would always just keep by the door, and then in the morning, just give yourself a bit of extra time to be able to run it out. So I'd go down my list, pack everything up into either hold all bags, which I'm going to use here, or I'd put them into clear plastic bags, which you can get off Amazon, which I'll link below. And I put all of those into a case and have everything ready to go by the door with my chair and my light. Good morning, everyone. It's now 10 to 6 and I'm about to go to my client's hotel room to get her ready before she sings the BBC. So in the mornings before I do a booking like this, I'm always early. So I've been up this morning since 10 to 5, had a shower, put a bit of makeup on, got myself ready, had a coffee, something to eat. And when I've got bookings like this, I always drive there and listen to like proper upbeat, high energy house music or some R&B, get me ready and in the flow for my work. And if any of my regular clients are watching this and being like, she is never early. Honestly, for bookings for weddings and for shoots, I'm always early. And one of my clients actually made this mistake once, because she booked me for her wedding and they told me a time that was an hour before time they wanted to start, and I turned up earlier than that, and literally I knocked the door and they had all woke up at that second, and they were really like shocked because I was there. They were like, just woke up like, oh my god. So yeah, I'm gonna go in now to Talia and go and get her ready. To give you an idea of what it's like carrying all the stuff, this is everything I'm carrying to my booking for one person's makeup. Now, the reason why I would always stress to you to get to your wedding and shoot bookings early is so that you can get there early, you can set your chair up into position, you can get your ring light out, ready to go, then you can work out, like, you know, if you've got a table or a side that you're going to be working from, put all your stuff out in order that you're going to need it, so that it's really accessible when you're working and carrying out the services. Everything is there, ready to go, and being organised and really neat with where you put in everything will just make your life so much easier. And this was my gorgeous model, Talia, who I did for makeup for her singing live on the BBC for this particular booking. How amazing does she look? It was such a fun morning. Hi guys, I am back. Sorry if I look a bit dishevelled now. It is now 1 o'clock. But yeah, this morning went so well. Her makeup, honestly, Talia looked absolutely incredible. Like, she just, everything came together, like the hair, the makeup, the outfit. Oh, she just was amazing and sang. It was her first time singing live on TV and she absolutely smashed it. So did her 2 little dancers that she had with her. They just did incredible. But I just wanted to say before we finish this video off, if you ever do a photo shoot, then what you recommend, oh my god, the guys in the car next door are probably thinking, what is going on with her? But yeah, oh, now there's another one here. But yeah, I just want to say before we finish the video, if you ever do a photo shoot or a wedding, I would recommend that you get all your kit out, you do the hair and makeup, and then at the very end, before you're finishing up, I would pack all your kit away, but leave out a couple of things that you're gonna need for top up. So translucent powder, highlighter, bronzer, lips, lipstick, lip liner, and I would also just keep out a few brushes that have got nothing on them, just in case you just need to kind of, you know, just tap anywhere, or, you know, just give anywhere a little brush. So yeah, I would just recommend leaving those things out even though you've packed your kit away, and especially if you're doing a photo shoot. If you are going on like on set with your client or your model, then I would take those things with you for top-ups, because sometimes like when they're taking the photos and the videos, they can pick things up on the lights. So areas can look too shiny, or you know, you might need a little bit of like more bronzer on areas and like a lip top up, because things can look completely different on camera. Anyway guys, I'm gonna go now because I'm getting all these funny looks in the Asda car park. But I hope that this video has given some of you an insight to like what it's like when you do shoots, and I hope that some of the tips which I've given about packing, what to take, what to do, and having the process there when you are booked for things like this will help you in some way. And I want to wish you luck. If you're new to doing this kind of work, then I want to wish you luck on your journeys. Anyway guys, I look, so I'm gonna go now, but take care and I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.